Aloha lover, my name is Moana. Thank you for joining us on Messy Treasures of Samoa as we review our book of the week. So today our book that we will be reviewing is Lani Young's Scarlet Lies. Now I've chosen this because it's a book that I enjoyed and I resonated with. This is an adult book. It is not intended for young adults, it's not intended for children. It is an adult book, so it has adult themes in it. So please do not let children read this and then complain. This is an adult book. So Scarlet Lies tells the story of Scarlet. She is a young, beautiful woman who returns home from living abroad in the States, and it tells her story of her time in Samoa. Again, it is a romantic novel, so in a time when we're stuck inside and we need some romance in our lives, or we need just to escape from our lives of the four walls surrounded by children all day, or just being home alone and not having any human contact, this is a book that will help you to escape. I really appreciated this book because as a bigger woman, it's not often that you will find a main character who has similar attributes to yourself. So large size, not really getting along with family, or any amount of different things. Scarlet is a character that you will love and that you will enjoy reading about. Her family is also very relatable, and the different scenes and the different experiences that Scarlet has throughout her life are also very relatable to different people, and so different parts of the book may resonate with you more than others. But it is definitely a book to read if you are stuck at home. So I would definitely recommend this book. I would also recommend the different books in the series. So this is part one of the Scarlet series. There are 3 books. They're all equally great and you will enjoy all of them. Yes, so what else do I have to say? Not a picture book, no illustrations, but the scenes are so descriptive that your imagination is just taken directly to that place, so that it just comes to life in your mind, and that is something that I really loved about this book, and I would definitely recommend it. It is a digital download, so we do have a link to purchase it below in the description. We would love to write more reviews on different Samoan books, so if you have a book that you think that we should review, please leave a comment in the comment section. Yes, and if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel that you find value in this video and this channel, please support us by subscribing to this channel and clicking on the bell so you get notifications when new videos come up. Again, go out, purchase Scarlet Lies. There's a link below in the description, so that you can purchase it right now and have it on your phone or your device straight away. Again, whakataite te lawa, thank you very much. Manuia le aso.